Alright, so here with another extra credit. The following frequency histogram represents the IQ scores of a random sample of 7th grade students. The IQs are measured to the nearest whole number. The frequency of each class is labeled above each rectangle. Use the histogram to answer parts A through G. So how many students were sampled? Alright, well, this is going to take a lot of adding, isn't it? I'm just going to add this on a paper. So 2 plus 4 plus 14, 50, 45, 41, 30, 9, 4, 1. That comes out to, 200. Yeah. So 200. So the class width is 10 because there's 10 between each of these little frequencies. So that's how you determine a width on a thing like this. It's just how much is in between right here, which is a lot more simple than it usually is, but hey. Identify the classes and their frequencies. So let's just go through each of these and see which one is accurate. So it's not these because that's not how it's set up. It has to be 60 through 70. So actually, no, it'd be 60 through 69 because it's, So, I think that's correct. Yes, it is. Because, it's only those. It can't be through 70 because that would overlap. So this is the only one that doesn't overlap. Those overlap and those doesn't. That doesn't qualify correctly. So, continue. Which class has the highest frequency? That would be 90 through 99. Yep. Which class has the lowest frequency? That would be 150 through 160. And I think that would be 160 because there's not a class ahead of it. Oh, well, okay. Hey. Always room for improvement. I mean, you get 2 chances for a reason, I guess. So, what percent? All right, here's where we gotta do some actual math. What percent of students had an IQ of at least a 120? So, this is where we're cutting it off. So, there's 200, so let's just add everything from here onward. So, 30, 39, 43, 44. So, that's 44 out of 100, or out of 200, so that's 22 out of 100, so that's 22%. So, there you go. And do any students have at least an IQ of 166? So, as from the student sample, nothing goes above 160, so no. And it's not that because that's not why, because there is a bar. That's not really. That doesn't contradict that, but it ends after that. So, that's the correct one. They got the no correct, but that's not. The rest of it doesn't make sense. All right, yep. And that's all for that question. So, all right, bye-bye.